40-minute drive, so we were like, nah, let's not do that. Titanic moment. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marta and today I have a new video. I'm hanging out with my friend Megan and we're gonna go to the driving range. So I'm wearing this top and then these white simple shorts. Very cute. Let's go. Hi. Hi. Oh, you look so cute.
Airport.
No, what is this airport?
Santa Ana Airport. They are though.
We can't park.
No, like I don't even know how to turn my car around.
We're stuck, guys.
2,000 years later.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, she did it. Yay. Okay, change of plans. We're not going to the driving range. We're going to Boomers, which is a club for kids.
A club for kids?
No, it's a mini golf place.
Yes, it's like a baby amusement park.
Oh, well, we got our clubs. I don't know where we're going now. We're lost. We got our stuff though. Okay, we're gonna start at hole 5. Almost. And this girl's still doing her sunscreen. Oh! Sticker and standing.
Oh, fake.
Last round. The ball will disappear after this.
Okay.
Are you gonna count?
Do math.
I can't see your.
You got 65, 75.
Ah, well, good job. I'm proud of you. We're back and I won, guys.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I mean, it's pretty tight though. There were just some annoying holes, you know, life happens. Is my camera gonna fall? Okay, change of plans. We are in Newport Beach. What are we doing here?
We're gonna go on a walk.
We're gonna go on a walk. We tried to go to the
Top of the world.
top of the world, but it was a 40-minute drive, so we were like, nah, let's not do that. So we're in Newport, we're gonna walk around and see. And we spotted a celebrity that she is obsessing with. I don't know who she is, but oh well. Live! Wait, what do I bring with me?
Just a hat. Okay.
I don't have a hat. Do I bring my purse or no?
No.
No. No, but I... Just closing the door on me. I have my water and wallet and stuff in here. Look how cute this is. So beautiful. Oh my god, and then this mini boat on the back. Oh my god, look at this. Is that your boat? This is beautiful.
Where you stand and you have your...
Your Titanic moment.
We went to Newport Beach and we walked.
Now it's time to fill our tummies with some in and out. Like usually when you go to a marina, there's like normal boat, there's normal boat, and then there's one big boat. This was literally just big boats in a row. Like, this is insane. it made me feel bad for walking there because this is so, you know, I know words.
So fancy.
We're manifesting that one day we'll be living here. It'll be great.
One day.
Okay. I'm ready. We're at In and Out. Yay. First ice. Not too much. See? Magic.
Good job.
Thank you, thank you. Wait. Let me see yours. Oh, yummy. Bon appetit. Look at this. We made it home.
Alright.
Little scorecard. Wait, you have to be closer because I can't read. If you read properly, you can see Marta won.
Ah.
Right there. 10-point difference. So.
You have a phone call.
Oh no, my boyfriend is calling me. Why is it
no.
Hi, babe. What's up? Okay, well, this is the end of our video. The end of our little girls' day thing. So hopefully we'll see you in our next video. Bye. The end is so awkward. Okay, bye.